Hi.
Hey guys,
What you doing?
almost at the end of my day.
That is one sexy motor.
Yes, it is.
I wonder who did all these letters.
Yeah, I don't know. It's some old guy with long hair, I think.
Bobby?
Well, he is getting older.
Yeah, Bobby, your gray hairs are coming through.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're on Ken's wagon. We removed I didn't, but Scotty removed the headers so we can get the engine in the car, hopefully on Monday. We're just not going to get to it today. We've had a lot of stuff happen this week. Things that have hindered our progress.
Yeah.
Or people, but you know.
Yeah, a lot more than normal. But it is what it is, you know. You live, you learn, you grow, you move on. That's all you can do.
Is the oil pan staying like that, or is it getting painted?
I think the oil pan's staying like that.
Okay. Well, yeah, if we're about to put it in the car. Then.
Yeah. So we're going to tape up all of our holes so we don't get anything in them while we're working on the car and getting it into place.
Got a lot going on today. We have this car, that car. Pretty big projects.
Yeah, but well, actually, both of them are kind of pretty thorough projects. Just this one for the Wagyu, or the AKA Rusto mod, which I love. Is going to be, well, I'm hoping next couple of months or so we should be able to have this thing as a driver. I hope.
It's been almost a year since the engine was taken out of it, so it's been at least 10 months.
Yeah. But we shipped it out. The guys did an amazing, amazing job on it. I think the horsepower is somewhere along the lines of high 4s, low 5s,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. This thing's gonna go.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure it'll push, but you know.
Oh, yeah. But, okay, guys, we got a lot left to do, and I want to go home soon. It's hot. It's already 110, and I'm old.